Hi my friends to your tech channel. Today we are going to talk about how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2020. So let us go to our browser to discover how to start a successful YouTube channel. First of all, we have to go to Google and then create a new Gmail account or a Google account. We will go to sign in order to create a new Google account. As you see, those are my own Google accounts. You can open or create Google accounts as much as you want, there is no problem. So we will choose use another account. Here, if you have already a Google account, that is good. You will just sign in and then open your own YouTube channel. But if you don't have, you should create a new Google account. Here there is two options. The first one is for myself, the second one to manage my business. We will choose the first one, which is for myself. Then we will type our own informations here. For example, this is first name, here last name. It is not necessary to enter or to type your own real ones, name or last name. For example, I will choose tech info. Yes, this is it. Then for the username, I will choose tech 2020 info, and then I will check if this username is available and if there is no problem to use it. So now I will choose my own password. And here I have to enter the same password and confirm it, so that if there is a problem in the first one, I will correct it right here. Just I will enter it 2 times in order to be sure that everything is going good. Then I will choose next. That's good. Here they ask me for my own phone number. I will enter my phone number here in order to get a verification code from Google to verify my account. So here I will simply enter my own phone number and then wait just for some moments until I get my own verification code. Yes, this is it. I got my verification code. It is 224390. This is my verification code. It is a 6-digit code. So now I will choose to verify my own phone number and then see what will happen. Yes, that's good. Welcome to Google. We will use, they say that they will use my number for account security. Now I will choose my own date of birth, 1999. No, I'm sorry, 1991. Gender, I will choose male, absolutely. Then I will choose next. Here, if you like, you can add your phone number to your account for use access. Just skip it. Here, privacy and term. You have absolutely to accept those privacy and terms. So you will go right here, down here, and then you will choose I agree. That's wonderful. Now you have created your own Google account. This is it. These are the services that Google owns and that Google gives you: YouTube, Gmail, contacts, Play Store, Drive, calendar, all those. But what is important for us is YouTube. We will choose YouTube. So now we are in YouTube. What we have to do in order to start our new YouTube channel is to sign in to YouTube. Oh, that's wonderful. Now I signed in to YouTube. I will come to this place here and then create our channel. We will choose this one. Your create journey begins. Pursuing your creative passion, connecting with your audience and sharing your stories. Begin with creating your channel. So we will choose get started in order to start our own YouTube channel in 2020. As you see right here, we are now in 9/1/2020. So there are two options. Use your name. To use my own name that I chose in Google to create a channel using the name and picture on your Google account. This is the first one, and this is how it will be. By selecting this option, you agree to YouTube's terms of service. Select. There is another option. It is to use a custom name. Created a channel using a brand or other name and picture. This is the one which we are going to use. Avoid this one, avoid the first option. You have to select the second one. So we will select the second option. Add a channel name. For my name is Tech Infos. Or I will choose this name, YouTube 20 YouTube Expert 2020. I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own search and watch history. I understand. Create. Oh, this is nice work. Your channel YouTube Expert 2020 has been created. Upload a profile picture. Now we will go to upload a profile picture. I will see if there is any pictures in my own desktop. So I will go to my own desktop and then I will choose one of the pictures that I have in my own. Yes, this one, I like it, by the way. It is a wonderful picture. So this is upload a profile picture. Here we upload profile picture. Then the next, tell viewers about your channel. Let viewers know what or whom your videos about. Your description can appear in search results and other places. So it is very important to make a description in which you are telling the people what your channel is about, what you are going to produce in your own channel. For me, I will say that in this channel we upload videos about how to have a successful YouTube channel. This is my own description, but for you, you can choose each descriptions to use. Description which explains simply your own content that will attract other people to go or to enter your own channel and to watch your own videos. have a Facebook page, you will add it right here. If you have a Twitter page, you will add it right here. You will copy the link and then you will put it here. Instagram also. If you have a website, by the way, if you have a website also, you can put it right here, and you can put the URL of the website right here. After we finish all this, we will save and then continue. That is wonderful. Now we created our channel. This is it, YouTube Expert 2020. This is our picture, the picture that we choose to put in our own picture. But before uploading any video, we will go to customize. This is about me. We'll find the description right here. This is it. In this channel we'll upload videos about how to have a successful YouTube channel. Then we are going to here customize our channel. You can add your channel art right here. This is it. We will go to our Creator Studio to see how to upload a video. This is it, explore the new YouTube Studio. Got it. So this is it, this is new YouTube Studio. Now we have no current subscribers, so here we can upload a video or we can go live. And here this is dashboard. You will see your own analytics right here, the summary of the last 28 days. Here the top videos in the last 48 hours, and here you will see news from YouTube team. This is here you can find your own videos, and here the playlist, the analytics, comments, subtitles. The most important thing is monetization. This is it. So monetization, grow with YouTube. As a YouTube partner, you will be eligible to earn money from your videos, get creator support and more. To get into the YouTube partner program, your channel needs 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Your channel will also get reviewed to make sure that it follows YouTube monetization policies. I have to say to click on this one, notify me when I am eligible, so they will send you a message to your own Gmail account saying for you that you have achieved 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, and then that you are eligible to get into the YouTube partner program. So this is everything about starting a new successful YouTube channel in 2020. So at the end of this video, thank you so much and good luck.